Hey everyone, so people always ask me why their underpainting looks like shit. And I get it. So you watch one tutorial, you grabbed your shape tape and you went to town. And of course you end up looking like you're about to perform at RuPaul's Drag Race, which is great if that's your thing, but it's probably not what you had in mind for your workday. And here's the thing that very few people tell you about underpainting. It isn't about huge amount of coverage, it's about light and shadow. Underpainting is basically just strategically lying to people's eyeballs. And you're not trying to hide every imperfection, you are trying to trick the light. So when you use liquid concealers, they're actually working against you. Think about it, a liquid concealer is wet. They move and they blend into your foundation and they look heavy and fake. They're basically the overachiever of the makeup world, doing way too much when you just need them to sit still and behave. The secret is dry concealers. Things like Laura Mercier's Secret Camouflage or any cream concealer that's been around the block. They kind of feel stiff when you touch them and they don't move once you put them down. They stay exactly where you place them. They're like that friend that shows up exactly when they say they will and doesn't overstay their welcome. So here's the part that people love and hate. When you underpaint correctly, it should look weird before you put your foundation on. Like genuinely strange, not polished, not pretty. Because you're not painting a face, you're painting light. The areas that naturally catch the light, they get the lighter shades, and the areas that fall in shadow get the darker ones. Your face has dimension that wasn't there before, and you stipple, not blend. That's important. Blending will remove all your hard work. So then your foundation just goes over everything in a stippling motion. It's not about looking flawless, although you will. It's about looking real, but in the best possible way. So if you are struggling with this technique, maybe drop the Tarte Shape Tape because sometimes the tool is the problem and not the artist. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Please subscribe because it helps me pretend that this is a real job.